Hello, my name is Leland Anderson, and I'm going to give you a quick run through how to enroll in American Heritage School's distance education program, which is the sponsoring program of the Latter-day Learning Online Middle and High School. First, we'll start at American Heritage website, which is www.american-heritage.org. From this web page, you can click on Menu, and then go down to Enroll in the Family School 7 through 12. When you come to this page, you'll see a catalog of online middle and high school courses, including several instructions at the top of the catalog. The courses are listed by alphabetical order, and there is an icon, the date, the time that it's taught, as well as a course description. Independent OL means independent online. It's not a live class. It is a recorded class that you can proceed through. Not in your own pace. It is paced with a term calendar and deadlines. However, you do it independently rather than in a live cohort. Other classes have a live online component where there's a meeting using GoToWebinar. If I want to enroll in these classes, at the top I can learn how. To enroll, I pay the application fee, and I can pay for that at this link. It's a link to our store. So I'll go ahead and open that just to show you what that looks like. There's the link. You can pay for it there. Then you create a student account. To create the student account, you'll fill in your name. In this case, I'll put Doe. The address, the city, the postal code, the country, and a phone number. Save and continue. That's the family name. Add the name of the child. And fill out the rest of this information. You'll need to choose a file for the photo so that we can have this as a required part of the application. And it should be a current photo if possible. I'll go ahead and upload a photo just from some of our logos. Choose the date of birth, etc. Fill this out just following the instructions as given. And if there's not a little red asterisk, you don't necessarily need to provide that kind of information to us. At the end of this process, you'll go ahead, you need to add a parent. An emergency contact is not required, and then you'll choose your password when you finish here. Let me just go ahead and add Mr. John Doe, and we'll say this is John Doe Sr. And the marital status. Okay, very good. If the home address is the same, you save and continue. I'm going to skip the emergency contacts for now, and now I'm finished. My password will be, for this parent, we'll say that it's password with a capital P, and submit. Now you have an account. And John Doe, you're going to need to know this very carefully, that now if you want to continue to your program registration, do not do it here. Instead, go back to American Heritage School, click on Enroll, and come straight to this link where it says Use the Course Enrollment page. Your program registration login will be your first name dot your last name at ahs.local. Your password is the password you just created. In this case, I used password with a capital P. When I log in, I can see my student, Johnny, and launch sign up for this student, selecting the courses that are of greatest interest to me. After I have selected those courses, then I go ahead and press submit or continue, and I am enrolled. and I'm registered. Continue to confirmation, confirm program selections, and I will receive an email address, or I can email myself as well if I would like. I'm going to go ahead and email myself this receipt, and it's going to send me an email which will come through here just momentarily. Okay, the next step is to log into Canvas. And the next video will talk about this, the next portion of our video. So to log into Canvas, you can see here I've received my confirmation. There's no password here. Now I'm going to have to wait for American Heritage School to give me a password. And that password will be my first name dot my last name, Johnny.Doe, and the password will typically be initially Johnny.Doe, first name dot last name of the student. So I'll go ahead and use this as an example. Now that we have registered and I've chosen my password, I need to wait for just a short time. Each night the enrollments are updated, and so by the next morning I should have a new account at Canvas, which is also accessible from American Heritage School's website. Canvas is the learning management system where I will submit assignments. It's located under the Tools menu, and if I click on Canvas, then I'll be taken to a login page. In this case, I'll use my password and username and password that is going to be my first name dot last name, and the password will also be my first name dot last name until I change it. So I'll type in Johnny.Doe, this is the student name that is, and Johnny.Doe, case sensitive with capital J, capital D, and log in. My courses will appear underneath my course list. It might say Family Science or any of a number of other courses here. When I go to those courses, I will be able to see a certain number of lessons. I'll see who the instructor is. I'll see the course schedule, very likely. I'll see the due dates and some of the details. And this is how I submit assignments. Now I also need an account to the FamilySchoolOnline.org. The FamilySchoolOnline.org is a website that I will use to receive the content for my courses. When I go to the FamilySchoolOnline.org, I can either use a family login that I already have through my mother or father, or I can become a member. And in this case, because you've already paid your application fee, sign up for the free trial if you would like under the name of your student, and then email Leland Anderson or Diane Jepson, and I will give you the email account. And we will convert them to a full subscriber. So if I click Start Trial, Johnny.Doe, and the email, and the phone number. Actually, let's do some other here. Let's see, Johnny.Doe at Johnny.Doe. I'll just put one other one here. Let's see if that works. And create a similar username and password. I would recommend that it be one you can remember easily. And sign up. And that email is already in use, so I'm going to go ahead and create another one. So when I'm signed up, I can log in. The login will be my username and my password, which in this case is the same, or my, I'm sorry, I've got to have that be activated, so I need to go to my email account, activate it, click on the link, and then when I come back here, I'll be able to log in. And when I log in, I'll see over here to the left a curriculum page. These curriculum pages include high school and high school electives. So if I want to, I can click on these high school courses and find, for example, the history lesson from this week, and there will be more appearing there. I can read through the lesson. I can find the assignments that are to be completed. These assignments can be submitted in the learning management system, which again is Canvas. I log into Canvas, find my course there, click on the course, find the assignment, click on the assignment, and then submit my assignment here. And there will be a big blue submit button. Because this person is not a student in the course, this particular course doesn't have any students. There's no submit button, but it will be right here. Just click on it, upload your assignment, either type it right in or upload a Word document or a PDF, and then click submit, and you'll receive feedback. All right. Hopefully that walk to school of Canvas, the Family School, thefamilyschoolonline.org, and the program registration has been very helpful to you.